Hello. Do you want to get a degree and work at Alton Towers at the same time? Well, if so, you've come to the right place, because that is totally possible with Visitor Attraction and Resort Management. Visitor Attraction and Resort Management, also known as VARM, is a 3-year BA degree at the University of Staffordshire. So, obviously in the name, Visitor Attraction and Resort Management, it is a business degree. Not only do you do businessy things like your assignments, you do 250 hours work at a visitor attraction, and that attraction is Alton Towers. Can be at any. I've done mine at Alton Towers Resort, and let's just say it doesn't only build up your experiences, skills, but it looks amazing on your CV, and you do work in almost every single department across the course. I have worked in Scarefest, I have worked in housekeeping, front office, leisure operations, the pirate takeover, I worked admissions, I worked in the car parks, I've worked on rides and retail, and I have a lot more coming up in the next few weeks. It is full of everything you'd want to do, to say the least. And not only are all the assignments more based on essays as such, we do informal written assignments such as blogs. We have had to film promotional videos which kind of dipped into marketing a little bit, and we do quite a lot of presentations, so it really forms like an overall kind of business but also creative kind of environment. So you get to do all sorts of things, and everyone has their strengths and weaknesses, and it definitely builds up and allows you to explore what you're good at and what you need to improve on. So I originally found the course when I was about 14 years old. A lot of the people on the course, including myself, are theme park enthusiasts, and I was doing some research and I found that I could work at Alton Towers and get a degree and learn about it more, and that really took me in. I think the placement is the biggest thing that everyone chooses it for, and it defo doesn't disappoint. As you've seen from my photos, we are working and you do get paid as well. It's a very tight group, so there is 25 of us in total in my year group, which is very small. You're all a big family on VARM, and you do meet previous year groups. I'm VARM 10, so I'm the 10th year of VARM, and all the lecturers know you by name from the first few weeks, and the networking that you get around Alton Towers when people know you're a VARM student, they're like, oh, I met a VARM 4, or everyone in VARM for the past 10 years is such a unit, and the lecturers are always there to support you as well, especially the managers. VARM has got a very good reputation over the past few years, so if you do want to network and get to the industry that way, it is a very good course to choose. Now, talking about the course itself, the assignments and what we learn in the modules is very, very broad. So we have done, so far in my first year, we have done hospitality management, we have done conference and events, we have done the business environment as a whole. We have done so many things. We also go into professional skills such as like how to write out assignments and things. For those of you who haven't come from more of a business background, such as I did music and drama, this course is very good at also just getting you into like writing as a business student as well, and it has definitely boosted my confidence in the first year. Just being able to do the simple skills of like referencing, appendices, how to structure essays compared to reports. All that sort of stuff is completely covered in your first module, so do not worry if you don't come from a business background. I promise you, it's completely worth it. And this course is definitely changing people and building people to fit exactly where they need to be into the theme park industry and the visitor attraction industry in general. If any of you guys are interested, there is lots of more information you can find on the website, but also if you do want to DM and find out more information from the inside of the course, my account is just down there for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next few VARM years. Bye!